In today's video, I will walk you through how to create DOCX Invoice templates in Xero accounting software. To begin, look at the top menu on your Xero dashboard and click on Sales. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Sales Settings to open the settings page for your sales documents. Once you're in Sales Settings, look for the option labeled Invoice Settings and click on it. This page contains the available invoice templates and branding themes that you can manage and customize. Next, locate the New Branding Theme button. Instead of clicking the button itself, look for the small arrow next to it. Click the arrow to display the additional options available. From the expanded menu, choose Custom DOCX. This option allows you to create an invoice template using a DOCX file that you can edit before uploading it back into Xero. After selecting Custom DOCX, you'll be prompted to enter a title for your new branding theme. Type a name that helps you identify the template later. Choosing a clear and descriptive title makes it easier to recognize the template if you create more than one. Once you've entered the title, continue to the download step. Xero provides a sample template, packaged inside a zip file. Click the download button, and the zip file will be saved to your computer. After the download is complete, open the zip file to access the contents. Inside, you'll find the DOCX template files that can be edited to match your preferred invoice design. Open the DOCX file and make the changes you want. You can adjust the layout, modify the formatting, update the colors, or add your company logo. Continue editing the template until it matches the invoice design you want to use. When you've finished making your changes, save the edited DOCX file on your computer. Make sure you've saved the version you want to upload before returning to Xero. Now go back to the same area in Xero where you downloaded the template. You'll find an Upload button that allows you to import your customized DOCX template. Click Upload, browse to the edited DOCX file on your computer, and select it. Xero will upload the template and add it to your available branding themes. After the upload is complete, review the template to make sure it has been added successfully and is available for use. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.